Hello Plutarians, it's Mo from Co. here with another video. Today we're doing an Amazon haul, and I did this voice recording 3 times, so I hope that it sounds okay. But in the big envelope, I got these Craft For You professional artist brushes. I want to use it for a project that you're not gonna know in this video yet, but you'll see what it's for later in this video. So I'm trying to open the box, and it is hard. The tape it's secure, right? So that nobody steals it. But when I get it, it's weird. And so how am I gonna open it right? With so these scissors I got from Dollar Tree. I don't know, but we'll figure out a way, I guess. So open it, and then I poke a hole in this bag thing that they have so that your stuff doesn't jumble everywhere, to show how inefficient it would be if, let's say, it was in the ocean and then a swordfish pokes it. What would protect your things? I mean, it'd be soaked, but nothing would protect it. I had a mystery box there that I'll open in a minute, and then Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer that you won't see, and then something else in there that you'll see in a minute, and it's bam. It's a Arteza 24 acrylic colors, and then I'm opening the mystery box. It's really weird, and I don't like how it's packaged, but it's okay. And then there it is. It is a new phone holder thing. It's for selfies, whatever, but I wanted to use it for obviously speed paints. So I just basically trying to open it and figure it all out and just assembling it. It has this remote that you use to do the ring light. So I plug it in and show you how it works. So there's 4 buttons, and then that's how the ring light works. What few are to show what kind of mode you want to go into. So cold or slightly warm or really warm, and it dims it and everything. So yeah, that's it. And I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and please subscribe if you like videos like this. And I'm Mo, and may your dreams shoot past stars.